Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming legality and safety. That protects you and the car. Once done, disconnect the battery, lift the charger on stands, and secure it. Make precise measurements and mark the resonator or axle back sections you'll remove. Cutting too close to flanges costs time and parts. Use a cutting wheel or reciprocating saw with steady strokes. Make clean, straight cuts. Make sure to keep hangers intact where possible so reassembly is smoother. And have replacement clamps and gaskets ready. Once the cut sections are removed, test fit your chosen axle back or cat back piece to verify alignment and clearance. Use clamps for provisional positioning so you can tweak angles and hanger locations. This prevents costly welding errors. Replace any flange gaskets and apply anti-seize to bolts to ease future service. If installing an X-pipe or removing resonators, maintain proper O2 sensor spacing to avoid check engine lights. Make iterative checks for hood and bumper clearance, and ensure hangers support weight without stress before final joining. You finish by securing final joints, welds for permanence or high-grade clamps for reversibility, and reinstall hangers. Once assembled, lower the car and start the engine. Listen at idle and through a short rev range to identify leaks or undesired resonance. Road test under varying loads and speeds, then recheck all fasteners. If you get drone or a check engine light, first red-iron clamps and inspect joints for leaks. If the CEL persists or tone needs tuning, install a proper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.